All right, we're gonna talk SoFi in today's video. It's Super Bowl Sunday. Who are you going for, the 49ers or the Chiefs? Let me know down below. But in all reality, this is gonna be a huge week in the stock market, I believe. But we gotta talk about SoFi because you gotta see what it is doing right now. All right, guys, so SoFi stock is doing something really interesting. Why is this like green behind me? There we go. I'm outside, about to enjoy a cigar for Super Bowl Sunday, and business actually is really good right now, so I want to just celebrate a little bit. I don't know why the lighting is like this, but bear with me. I'm going to show you what I believe is happening next for SoFi. It's going to be a short, quick video. It's going to get right to the point. I think that's better now. Okay, so let's get into it. Of course, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I would appreciate you guys to drop a like. I don't know if I'm going to continue with SoFi videos. I really need more of you to kind of communicate with me. Let me know. So leave a comment down below if you want more videos about SoFi. I have a pretty large position in SoFi, I would say now, and I'm going to tell you exactly why that is. So on X the other day, I posted it would be silly to not have a position in SoFi, in my opinion. I believe this is a $14.85 stock soon. This is an increase of 82% from today's prices. The risk to reward ratio for this makes it a no-brainer. Stochastic is also low on a weekly time frame, ready to pop, and RSI is looking good. You can't see more. But below this, I put, it's looking like Palantir when I was buying it around $7. This is one of many posts that I made in my Patreon since I opened it in December of 2022. Bought more of this stock, bought more Palantir at $7.59. Those were the days, right, when you could buy Palantir for less than $10. Palantir is now over $24 a share, which is crazy to think about, okay? So I made a bunch of posts back in the day about Palantir and updated the Patreon. Of course, if you guys want to learn about other stocks we're looking at now, join the links out down below. It's literally $7 a month. We have a great community, and I just called a bunch of other stocks like Shop, which is up right now. I said to buy at 81. It's at 91. I've called AMD at 112. That's at like 170 now. I'm going to be finding other stocks here soon. I just got into Hood very recently, Robinhood, and of course SoFi. I've been buying under $8 very recently as well. But again, I do think this is looking like it wants to run very soon. Now, the reason for this, the stochastic is very low, curling up. The RSI is also at a good spot. And we're in this upward channel, trading channel, whatever you want to call it. Also a lot of volume, so it's looking good. And then, of course, you have people like Morgan Stanley. No one listens to Morgan Stanley, but Morgan Stanley actually downgrades after earnings, which I have no idea why. Like, SoFi had a great earnings report, so it's silly to me. Kathy Wood and ARK Invest actually bought more SoFi after earnings, so that's a positive sign. I don't buy everything that Kathy Wood buys, but I do my own research. I look at the charts, I look at the news, and the way SoFi is lining up for me, at least, guys, is, and this is really how I think about it, they had a great earnings report, okay? The charts look great. ARK Invest and Kathy Wood are buying. I'm going to buy, and that's it, right? Earnings looks great, means I think the future will be bright. Maybe it goes down a little bit like it did. And I was mentioning I'm buying under $8, and I bought 3 times under $8. Well, now it's above $8 at like $8.10. Okay. So when I start to think about it, the earnings looks great. The company's moving forward. There's a lot of different reasons, but I keep it very simple, guys. If the charts look good, if the company has a good earnings, like Palantir had a great earnings, and I bought under $16, and I shared that with people on X for free. So make sure you follow me on X because I post a lot of charts. The Patreon obviously gets more stuff. They get more details and faster. Like, that's my main priority, especially if you're paying $7, $9, $10 a month. Like, you have my back. You're a part of this journey with me, so I appreciate you. So I'm going to give you more than what I'm going to give X and YouTube, and you're going to get it a lot faster too. Palantir looked great on the charts. The RSI was very oversold. I shared that with everyone. It was under 35 on a daily time frame, and that's why I bought at like 15.92. I think I got in. Okay. Then it shot after earnings up 53%, under $16 all the way to like $25, and I sold a large part of my bag, I would say, right under $25. So I didn't catch the top. The reason I sold some Palantir was because we're entering a huge area where I've been calling $25. That was my price target. A lot of volume in that area. RSI is getting overbought, and we're also creating negative divergence on a weekly time frame. So I will buy more Palantir if it dips back down. Now, this is not Palantir video, but all I'm saying is SOFI is also looking good. Palantir, great earnings, look great on the charts, and it went up over 50%. Okay, so we'll see what happens with SOFI, of course. Again, not financial advice. I'm not an advisor. You guys got to do your own research, but I appreciate you if you watch these videos, if you like, if you're subscribed, if you leave a comment. I really want to grow this channel, and I want it to be a great year for all of us, and we all make a bunch of money. Appreciate you all. Have a great Super Bowl. See you on the next one.